not going to work.
Ah.
It didn't work. It wasn't big enough.
I can't do it. Dirty. Oh, Becca.
You can't even burp, can you?
Oh. Still won't come in now. Oh, hey up. Hiccup. Oh,
Go on,
it's not in. God's sake, didn't you get the message earlier? Hello? Yeah, we've had it. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Yeah. About 5 minutes ago. Oh yeah, it was gorgeous.